This video is yoga for shoulder and neck pain. Hi, my name is Jessie, and today we're going to talk about some yoga that we can do to help loosen up our shoulders. This is Tomcat. He must be feeling neglected. So first and foremost, we are just going to check in with our bodies. We are going to sit comfortably. We can just do this in a chair. One item that we are going to need is a strap. We can either use a strap, a belt, a necktie, whatever you have on hand. You don't have to have anything very fancy, but we'll set this aside for future use, and we can do this video we can do this yoga routine just seated in a chair. That's fine. And to begin, just check in with the breath. Just take a moment to close your eyes and see where you are at. Just connecting with our body. That is a big part of what yoga is all about. We are so busy all the time, just busy, busy bees. So just taking this moment to honor yourself. Just staying with the breath. Feeling the breath move in through the nose and out through the nose, allowing yourself to fill up your stomach, diaphragm, and chest. Getting into the habit of breathing into our stomach, this will help to just take it down a notch. Maybe our shoulders are tense because we are stressed out. Maybe we work on the computer a lot. It's hard to tell. Everybody has their own reasons. I know personally I tend to carry a lot of my stress in my shoulders. So whenever my shoulders are tense, that's because I need to just relax and release for a moment. Just breathing. Good job. And now we're just going to start remembering that whether it be your neck or your shoulders that are bothering you, everything is connected. Our shoulders and our neck are pretty close together, obviously. So we're going to just sit up tall. We're going to engage our core. We can even engage our pelvic floor muscles. Working on that, that'll help everything stay in once we get older. So it's a good habit to get into when we do yoga or any kind of seated postures. And we're just going to drop our chin down. On the exhale, sit with our shoulders back, chest nice and open. Inhale, come back up. Exhale, drop the chin down towards the chest. Keep the core engaged. Inhale, just come back up. Exhale, bring the chin down towards the chest. Inhale, come back up. A couple more times, just moving in our own time, at our own speed. You know what's best for your body. Come back to center when you're done, and then bring the head down to the left side, getting a good stretch in the right side of the neck. If it feels good, maybe even take that left hand and gently bring the head a little bit closer to that left shoulder. Totally up to you though, totally optional. Listening to the body again. It's a good habit to get into. Come back up. Switch sides. Just drop the head down to that right side, maybe putting the right hand on the left side of the head, giving a little assist. And then come back to center. And then just do some little head rotation. So bring the chin to the chest, go to the right side, drop it back, and then go to the left. Just nice and gentle. Working to keep the core engaged, the pelvic floor engaged as we're sitting here. Sitting up tall, stacking the spine, getting into the habit of doing that. Sounds like Rice Krispies, doesn't it, when you do head rotations? Come back to center on your next one, and then just reverse. Drop it back. Go to the right. Bring your chin to your chest, and then go to the left. Or go backwards if you want. I know sometimes it's hard to be a good listener, right? It's something I struggle with myself. And then just slowly come back to center. Great job. And then we're just going to take our hands, put them on our knees. We're going to do some seated cat-cow. Just bring the hands back towards the hips. Bring the shoulder blades together. Let the head fall back. Just open up the chest. Just rest here for a moment. Just feel this in your body. Bringing the elbows together. Exhale, slide the hands down the legs. Arch the spine, bring the chin to the chest. Engage the core. On your exhale. Inhale, come back. Just slide the hands back towards you, bringing the shoulder blades together like you're pinching a pencil between your shoulders. The elbows come together. Exhale, just slide the hands down the legs, bring the chin to the chest. Inhale, slide the hands back towards you. Bring the shoulders together like you're pinching a pencil between your shoulder blades. Just open up, let the head fall back. Going as far as you can without causing any pain to yourself. Sliding the hands back down the legs to the knees, chin to chest, engage the core. Allowing yourself to arch your spine. And just come back to center. Good job. We're going to take the right arm and then just bring it out and across the body, supporting the weight with that left hand. And just looking off to the right side, maybe pulling that shoulder, just kidding, the elbow in pretty close to your body. Letting that left hand support the weight of your arm so that we can just relax and release into the stretch with that right shoulder. Just breathing, relax, release on your exhale. Trying to sit up tall still. Good job. And then just release. Switch sides. Take that left arm out. Cross it in front of your body. Look off to the left side maybe, if that feels good. Just inhaling, sitting up tall, exhaling, relaxed and releasing. Supporting the weight of that left arm with the right hand so that we can get a pretty deep stretch in those left shoulders. And then just release. We can come forward to the front of the chair, bring the arms back behind you, have the arms straight, and then just open up the chest, let the head fall back. Try to keep the chair flat on the ground. Mine just came up from the back, so be mindful of this. Just feeling a good release in our shoulders, letting the chair assist you. Just breathing here. Allow yourself to relax and release into the pose. Have some fun with it. Letting the head fall back again. Well done. Then just release. Scoot back if you need to. And then have the arms down along the sides. Just do some shoulder rolls. Just bring them up, back, down, and forward. Just moving with your breath. Good job. This feels good if you have tight shoulders. Excellent job. And then reverse. Bring it back, up, forward, and down. Make it dramatic. That's fine. Nobody cares. Good job. One more time. Excellent. Next, we're going to just take the right arm, bring it up, and drop it down like you're patting yourself on the back, and then take the left arm. And the goal here is to get this tricep here lined up with your head. So just take the left hand to the right elbow and then try bringing it up, kind of pulling it back. Have the chest nice and open, spine stacked up straight, core is engaged. Good job. Just breathe, relaxing into the pose. I know you've never been so relaxed in your life, have you? Good job. Release. Now just take that left arm up, bring it up, drop it down back behind your back. Bring the right hand to the left elbow. Then just open up your chest. Just maybe walk the fingers down, feeling the chest open up, trying to get the tricep lined up with the side of the head. And we don't want to have our head at some funky angle, so doing the best that you can. I know that if you are coming to yoga later in life, a lot of my clients are older. When I work here around town, they are not able to do this because they haven't been yoga instructors for the last 10 years. So just take it into account, whatever you've done to your body. If you've not stretched often, then this can be a process for you, and you can get there. I swear you can, but it takes, it'll take some time, but the longer that you do it and the more often that you do it, the better it is for your body. Good job. And then just slowly bring the arms down. We're going to just leave the left hand at the left side, bring the right arm up, and go off to the side. Look off to the side, just allowing the obliques to stretch out, getting a good side stretch here. Try to keep the head lined up with the arm. Try to have the whole torso lined up with the front side of the chair. Drop it down. And then bring that left arm up. Just go to the side. Have that right shoulder come forward, the left shoulder come back. You can grab a hold of the chair for a little support if you need to. Just feeling the shoulders open up. Good job. Then just come back down to center. And now we're going to grab the strap of doom. And we want to take a wide stance. We want to be able to have our arms stretched out straight. Come to the front of the chair, and we're going to bring the strap up with the arms out at the sides. Keep them long, and we don't want to dip down to one side or the other. Keep it equal distance apart, and then just bring the strap around and back and down back behind you, and bring it back up and around. And just do this a few times. This can feel really good and help with shoulder mobility. And if we don't do stuff like this, then we actually lose the shoulder mobility. Good job. Just moving with the breath. We'll do it a couple more times. Excellent. And slowly come back to center. Just take the strap, belt, tie, whatever you used, set it off to the side. come back. And now we're just going to check in with our bodies. How are we feeling right now? Close the eyes. Take a moment for gratitude. Do we feel a little looser? Not so tight in the shoulders, not so tight in the chest or the neck. You did really good today. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you love this video. Feel free to comment below. I would love to have some feedback from people. Until next time, may love and light be yours. If you like this video, feel free to like, subscribe, share, click the little gear notification so that you see future videos. Namaste.